We're back at Harrison Avenue remodel. We've got the paint on the walls as promised. The tile is installed. We've got our new Niagara Conservation 1.5 gallon per minute shower head on, which is going to save some water over the lifetime. We've also installed the trim for our single handle pressure balanced shower tub faucet rather. Installed the spout. You can see we've caulked around where the tile meets the tub, grouted. If you think back to what we had started with, this is a major improvement. We've also installed towel hangers, mirror, sink with a single handle faucet. Everything's been tested and hooked up, no leaks. Let's see, we've got our Niagara Conservation put in another 1.28 flapperless. If you haven't seen this in one of the other videos, this is how this dude works here. The bucket gets tipped over here with this arm, fills back up, and saves you in the neighborhood of 20% per flush.